don't wanna see me dance, so I don't show up.
So, hi everybody! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. At kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click mo na rin yung bell button para ma-notify ka kung may bago na naman akong KKK video. So, ayun, nakikita nyo naman sa aking look ngayon. Ang gagawin nating panibagong video is about turning into an Instagram baddie. So, ayun, kung interested kayo sa ating panibagong video at kung gusto nyo malaman paano ko nagawa tong look na to, just keep on watching. So, ang aking gagawin na look ngayon is yun din yung ginagamit ko na look tuwing nagti-tiktok ako. So, ayun, follow nyo ako sa aking TikTok. Tapos, nagtali na rin ako yung ng buhok ko para mukha na lang at outfit, diba? So, ayun, let's start na. So, ang una kong gagamitin is itong BB Holic in the shade beige. Ayan, sa aking face at sa neck.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me, and hold me in your arms.
So, ang next dyan is magko-concealer na ako at ang gagamitin kong concealer is itong Maybelline Fit Me na paubos na.
Again, flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me, and hold me in your arms, sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today.
So, ayun, tapos na tayo mag-concealer at ang ating in-next ngayon is magpa-powder na tayo. Set muna natin siya ng powder. Lalabas ka na? O, kunin mo muna yun.
lang.
Ha? Ano, titignan mo, kunin mo muna yung square na maliit. Ang gagamitin kong powder is itong BYS Compact Powder. So, set ko muna siya sa aking buong face.
Instead of sending flowers, come back to me, and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me,
So, ang next naman natin is eyeshadow na tayo. At ang gagamitin kong eyeshadow is itong Eye Multi-Cube na galing siya sa Korea. Ganito yung itsura niya. Yan, maliit siya na box. Tapos may blush on dito. Then, ang gagamitin ko muna is ito para sa pinaka-base. Then, ito. Tapos, ito para sa shimmer-shimmer.
ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, instead of
Ayun, natapos na natin ang ating eyeshadow at ang next ko dyan is mag-eyeliner ako gamit itong Pop Studio na eyeliner.
sending flowers, come back to me, and hold me in your arms again. Flowers to me, flowers today,
Ayun guys, tapos na ako mag-eyeliner. Ayan, ayang eyeliner lang yung nilagay ko. Ayoko na mag-wing-wing dahil ayoko mahirapan. So, ang next natin is talagyan ko ng gel ang aking eyebrows dahil ayoko magkilay ngayon. Sobrang kalat ng kilay ko. Kaya gel-gel lang muna.
today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me, and hold me in your arms, sending flowers to me, send me no flowers.
And ang next naman natin is magbo-blush on na tayo at ang gagamitin kong blush on is itong Careline Multipot na in the shade Abracadabra.
Today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me, and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me, send me no flowers.
Next is mag-highlight na tayo at ang aking gagamitin is itong Careline Strobe Stick. Yan. Ito lang tayo mag-highlight sa gantong bandang part.
Today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me, and hold me in your arms again.
So, ayun, bago ko makalimutan pala, magmamaskara lang ako. Itong gagamitin ko is yung Careline Go Long Mascara. Muntikan ko na siya makalimutan, as in, buti na lang nakita ko siya dito sa mga makeup na ginagamit ko.
Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went.
So, ito na ang pinaka last step. Magli-lipstick na tayo at ang gagamitin kong lipstick ay dalawa. Itong Vice na Phenomenal Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sisteraka. Ito, gagamitin ko. Then, ito yung ilalagay ko sa pinaka middle part. Itong Into It na Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Red Delight.
Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. Sending, sending, you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that.
So, ayun, naayusin ko lang ang aking sarili. Magpapalit lang ako ng outfit, then ayusin ko lang lahat. Then, I'll be back.
Ever since the day that you went away, you went away. You've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me.
So, ayun guys, hanggang dito na lang ang ating panibagong video, and please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe. Ang kulit ng pamangkin ko, nandito siya. Nanonood siya sa akin. So, ayun, don't forget to subscribe and click mo na rin yung bell button. Then, share mo na rin to sa mga friends mo. So, thanks for watching. Bye-bye!